Hi guys, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Sat in front of the climber behind me, which is Trachelospermum Jasminoides, or common name, star jasmine, and thought I'd show you how to propagate it. So if I turn the camera around, we can have a look together. Now I'll be honest, I've tried growing cuttings of this multiple times in varying methods, from just doing straight cuttings of foliage, doing the cuttings into the heated propagator, plain propagator, sand beds, into water, all of these things that the people making the videos claim to work, but I've never been able to get them to work. But one method that I have had good success with is through layering and layer propagation. So let's set the camera up and show you how to do that. Okay, so it's super easy to do layering. Get the piece that you're planning to use, bare section of soil, and you can do this into another pot as well. Let's just get rid of this. Now work out roughly how it's going to sit within the hole that you've just dug, and this section of leaves is going to be buried, so just using secateurs or a knife, just make a small incision to the back side of the cambium layer, just there. So just exposing that green bit. You can dip it in hormone rooting compound if you want to, but generally speaking you don't need to. Make sure it's down into the bottom of the trench or hole, and just cover back over, firm it down, keep it moist. If you want to make sure that it stays in place, you can always put a brick or tent peg or something like that just to anchor it down. Good old firm, water it, and that will root quite readily. Okay, so piece we've just done, that will stay in the ground until about this time next year, and I've found that it does take about a year to produce some root. Okay, so this has been buried about 9 months, and you can see there the fibrous roots that are starting to develop along that main stem. Now I'll probably bury this, well, we'll bury this, leave it for a little bit longer, try and develop a bit more root, and then that'll give me a new plant, and I'll be able to plant that elsewhere to cover some more fencing. Okay, so that's the video done. That's how to propagate Trachelospermum Jasminoides, or star jasmine, through layering. I've shown this technique previously for some hydrangea and wisteria, and as with those, it is undoubtedly the best method for propagating slightly problematic plants. Really simple to do, but it is well, longer in terms of time taken for plants to root. That said, 100% reliable, and you don't sacrifice your main plant to do it. So if you've got any questions, then please send the questions to me. I'll do my very best to answer them for you. If you've liked the video, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on the future videos that I'm doing, and above all else, just enjoy yourself, have fun, and try something new, or try growing something new. So till next time, bye for now.